Dear students, this video discusses about binary subtractors. So in binary subtraction, first we should know how the subtraction is done in binary. So 0 minus 0 will be equal to 0, 1 minus 0. So 0 minus 1 means one borrow has to be taken. So this is the borrow. So this is equivalent to 1, 0 is equivalent to 2. So 2 minus 1 will be equal to 1. So you have a borrow 1 and result will be 1. Then 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So now here we are considering subtraction of 3 bits. So xi is known as minuend bit xi, then yi is known as subtrahend and bi is the borrow in bit from the previous bit order position. The result of the subtraction is a difference bit di and a borrow bit bi plus 1. So in order to do the subtraction, first consider 0, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 0 minus 0, everything will be 0. So bi and di is equal to 0. Here 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 1. So 0 minus 1, you have borrow 1 and difference 1. So both will be equal to 1. Then 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, again you have borrow 1, difference 1. Then again 1 minus 0. So it will be equal to 1 itself. So this will be 1, 1. Then you have 0 minus 1. So you have a borrow bit 1. Again 1 minus 1 will be equal to 0. Then 1 minus 0. So 0, 1. Again 1 minus 1. 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0, 0. 1 minus 1 minus 1 will be 1, 1. So these are the bit values of subtraction. So now we can write the expression from this diagram. So the expression will be writing the min terms. Directly we can write the min terms as, so this is equivalent to di. First we will write for di. So this is equivalent to x bar, y bar, bi. This is xi bar, yi, bi bar, xi, yi bar, bi bar, and this is xi, yi, bi. So the expression can be written as di is equal to xi bar, yi bar, bi plus xi bar, yi, bi bar plus xi, yi bar, bi bar plus xi, yi, bi. So this will be equivalent to bi can be taken outside. So this will be xi bar, yi bar plus xi, yi plus bi bar into xi bar yi plus x yi bar. So this can be written as bi into xi xor yi bar plus bi bar into xi xor yi. So this is similar to XOR expression a b bar plus a bar b. So this can be written as bi XOR xi XOR yi. Similarly, writing for the borrow bit. So borrow bit can be written as using a k map. Even the top one can be written using k map, but none of it maps to anything. So we have written the expression. So bi plus 1, xi 0 1, here yi bi, so 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, so 0 1 1 1, writing the k map from the expression. So this is how the k map will be. So this can be easily grouped like this, and this way. So this will be equivalent to the expression equal to xi bar bi plus xi bar yi plus yi bi. So directly from the k map, the expression can be written. Also, we can implement this using basic gates, but considering parallel ripple binary subtractor, so same can be implemented using as a using full subtractor also. So the input of one binary full subtractor borrow will be given as input to the next binary subtractor. So this way we can n-bit operation of subtraction can be carried out. Again there is a ripple effect because borrow of one stage is being connected to the borrow of the next stage. So until we get the output of the first stage, you cannot get the output of the next stage. So this way we can get all the difference and borrow of all the bits. So subtraction can also be performed using adders, that is by using 2's complement. Suppose we want to do an operation 1 minus 0. Instead of using subtraction method, we can use adding. That is the here in this case 2's complement of the subtrahend should be found out first. So 2's complement means first find out 1's complement. So 0's 1's complement is 1 and plus 1 gives the 2's complement. So this will be equivalent to 0 1. So ignore this 0. So we have the number 1 plus this 0. So the result will be 1. So subtracting 1 minus 0 is equivalent to 1. So same way binary full adder can be used to implement parallel binary subtractor. So here first thing is we have to implement 1's complement. So 1's complement can be implemented by giving the subtrahend, passing it through an inverter, that is through a NOT gate. So by passing y1 through a NOT gate, we obtain 1's complement. So next operation is after 1's complement, 1 should be added to it. So in order to add 1 to it, to the carry bit, a 1 will be given. So this way we can implement binary full adder. So this will be equal to x0 and again y0 should be passed through a NOT gate and this is equivalent to x1. So this way here we have the subtrahend is complemented by passing it through a NOT gate, and in order to perform 2's complement, that is 1's complement plus 1, so that plus is given by giving the carry equal to 1. So the output what you obtain will be the difference. So again for doing it for n-bit operation, it can be passed from one binary adder to the next binary adder. So this operation will be done for n-bit operation. Now next is realization of parallel adder and subtractor. So full adder can be used to implement both adder and subtractor. So this is realized using the property of XOR gate. That is, already we know the property that yi XOR 1 is equal to yi bar. So this behavior can be used to control add and subtract operation. So by passing here in this bit, by passing 1 over here, So this 1 will be entered into the XOR gate. So this XOR gate is equivalent to yi XOR 1, because through this bit we give a 1 over here. So this is equivalent to y naught XOR 1. So y naught XOR 1 will be equivalent to yi bar. So this will take, this operation will, so here it's like a subtract operation will be carried out. So the output what we get will be equivalent to subtraction. Now the another operation that we should remember is yi XOR 0 is equal to yi. So for addition operation, a 0 will be passed through this XOR gate. So the output of the XOR gate will be equal to yi itself. So once it is passed through a parallel full adder, the output what we obtain will be addition operation. So similar way this is carried out for n bit operation. So in this way we can implement both adder and subtractor using the same network. So here this bit 0 corresponds to addition and this bit 1 corresponds to subtraction.